As you know, we have been studying compound sentences and complex sentences. We're ready to take it a step further and see the difference between the two so we can use them and identify them in our daily writing. As you know, a compound sentence is made up of two complete thoughts. That means that each part of the sentence, each thought of the sentence, has a subject and a predicate. It has a comma in the sentence and then a conjunction. The three conjunctions we've studied so far are and, but, and or. So, a compound sentence is made up of two separate parts, a part with a subject and a predicate, then a comma, then a conjunction, and then another part with a subject and a predicate. So a compound sentence takes two thoughts and joins them together. An example is seen right here in blue. The road looks extremely icy, and the snow doesn't look like it will stop anytime soon. The first part of the sentence, the road looks extremely icy, is a complete thought. I could read that sentence as it is and it would make sense. The road is the subject, looks extremely icy is the predicate. Here's my comma. Here's my conjunction. Now let's read the second half to make sure that we have another complete thought. And the snow doesn't look like it will stop anytime soon. The snow is my subject, doesn't look like it will stop is my predicate. There you see a compound sentence, two thoughts joined together with a comma and a conjunction, which is a little different than a complex sentence. A complex sentence is made up of an independent and a dependent clause. That means you will find one complete thought in the sentence and then a thought that isn't complete, known as a dependent clause. The dependent clause is usually started off with a key word, such as because, since, after, although, until, and before. You will know it's a dependent clause because it will start with one of these words. An example is shown below. Let's see if we can find the independent part, the part that can stand alone, and the dependent part, the part that needs to have more to it. Although my best friend can't come, I will try to have a good time at the party. Right here, I see a key word, although, cluing me in that this could be a dependent clause. Although my best friend can't come, if I would walk up to you and say, although my best friend can't come, you would be left wondering what else I was going to say. Whenever you're left wondering like that, you know that you're reading a dependent clause because it cannot stand alone. It depends on the rest of the sentence. The last part of the sentence, I will try to have a good time at the party, is a complete thought. It can stand alone. If I walk up to you and I say, I will try to have a good time at the party, you're not left wondering what else I'm going to say. It has a complete subject and a complete predicate. These are the differences between compound and complex sentences. Compound sentences are made up of two thoughts. Complex sentences are made up of two thoughts, but one can stand alone and one cannot. As we write each day in 4th grade, we are going to be using these sentences because these sentences give greater detail in our writing. We're moving from simple sentences to complex sentences, and I'm really excited to do this with you.